welcome back to the Brown Town Band YouTube channel. So we're just going to be changing our oil right here, and that's all I had to say for you guys today next time. And make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe button. So we're just going to use this 17 millimeter wrench and this Honda CRF50 oil. So this is your drain plug, so you have to locate it. So it's right here. Guys, so we're just going to unlock this drain plug right here. The oil is drained, so now we're just going to tighten it back up. Oh my God. I'm just going to snug it up for 17 millimeter. Snug it up for this thing. I don't know what the heck this thing is. 0.6 quarts oil. It's so disgusting. Open this right here. And look how that is. Maybe that'll get really good. Let's just put that back in. Look if there's any leaks right here. And alright, now we check the oil, let's rev it up. Hey guys, thanks for watching the Brown Town Band YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today's video. I hope you guys need to like and subscribe and comment your favorite bike and share your favorite bike, Honda CRF50 or e-bike. We're just going to be ripping on our next journey. Tune in next time.